I don't know the qualities of Netaji because you only read it from the book. And I think many of us sitting on this stage have not met him or have not seen him. But just from the stories you hear about him, just from the books you read about him, it just speaks of enormous courage in a world, where you had to fight for the freedom of a country. I don't think anything can be even compared to the leadership qualities he possessed during that period. We live in a luxury world these days where connectivity is at its best. You reach different parts of the world. You get on a plane, you sleep, and by the time you wake up, you're in another continent. And I think they have delivered freedom for India in a situation where there was nothing. It took you months and months to reach a certain part of the world. It took you months and months to get to what you want for the country. And then when on 1947, and I'm told he was not even here in India because he left that country in 1945, and wherever he was, I don't know. To see a country get independence in 1947 is much beyond and much bigger than any other leadership you can think and talk about. So these gentlemen are special. They are once in 1,000 years generation of people who have come to this country, and I don't think they can be compared to anybody else.